pumping it out of these guys. Those guys right there, and pumping it into this guy. So I can do a compression test on this guy and figure out, he says like he's going, that is great, and then it goes like bogs for a second and then it goes again. Just have to figure it out now. Take a good look in here once I see what's happening. Just first glance, I don't know. I don't see anything out of the ordinary. Looks like it's got a pretty new stator. Yeah, it looks like the switch box has been replaced. Somebody wrote some numbers on the side, and it almost looks like a brand new fuel pump. It's got some new fuel line too, this guy, but this is the wrong fuel line. Do a compression test to figure it out. Twisted motion. And that looks like good plug wires. Hey, what's going on? Piggyback in the water. Try to get as much as I can. Water ain't cheap. I'm sure they'd love to sell me some more, because we don't use that much water really. I mean, a family of 4 is going to use more water than I use. He kind of showers every day and all that. I think this has the box. Yeah. Disconnect that box and pretty wet, very rich. It's pretty wet. You might want to look at our linkage here. Make sure he's closed. Like, for me to do a compression test, I can do it pretty fast. Because well, because I don't have to have a spark, so I have to have the spark checker out here and all that. I can just, you know, I can do it real fast and know what those numbers are at least. It looks to me like this is one of those where they were searching for an answer and then just could never get it figured out. Because it looks like it's got a lot of parts that, I mean, that looks like a fairly new rectifier, new stator. Over here you got you got 2 power packs, but this thing right here, this thing goes out. Eight 707-64A9. Anyway, I got my compression tester right here. And we can just start here or start over there, it don't matter. And then the other thing is I don't have to, man, come on. In there. There's another one. It's like the kind of Black Max V6s. You might even see Black Max on it. Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna call that 118. I guess I'll figure out, see if I can get this fella fixed up. Got a bunch of tools out here. I'm sure I forgot something. Anyway, got this kind of dude off of here. Oh, there's something I'm missing. Got the new trigger. I bought the wrong one the first time. This one's a CDI part number 1346456. Like I said, I'm sure that I forget something here. That's it. So before I put it on, I gotta put the spark advance lever, which goes over there, on first. And it's pretty easy. I'll show you. You just take it off the old one and put it on the new one. Anyway, it's pretty simple. We just gotta take this out. This, like I said, is our spark advance lever. So this part just kind of screws in. And then there's like a zert in here. So you just gotta get a screwdriver and screw that out. Alright, and then we'll notice this one. You know, we just lay it down like the other one is. So like this. And then we're just gonna put this guy. Anyway, it's gonna go on there like this, but you gotta get, and you guys might be in the way now, but you gotta get this through, right? It's gonna be back like kind of like that, so Just get this guy started where it'll go underneath there. Just turn and see how it'll just sit right there. Okay, and then we'll connect this and this, you know. We'll get it over here. So it's hard to see. Just kind of something. Let me get my screws and bolts and all that stuff. And right here we have a little tie down. We can go ahead and put this stator back into position. You just want to make sure this will move. Yeah, it will. And then I'll go in easy. And now I can go ahead and put my screws back in for these guys. And I don't remember what they are. I do a good slather and some of that blue Loctite. Yeah, I just don't want to I want to make sure these don't come loose because they're up under the flywheel. This is what would take out a stator. And they got a little thing where you can hold it, you know. And that's some kind of, it's like an odd number in it. Maybe it's 560, it's like that number. Yeah. Alright, this one's going to go to the inside power pack. This one's going to go to the outside power pack. So right now I just got it kind of resting up here on this screw and take it out. It was only because like I was waiting. I don't have any power going or anything like that. So, yeah, we got this little line right here. Alright, and then so this is our inside, and they're labeled. Let me get my flashlight. But basically, they're color coded, and the power packs say what the color is, so you can't mess it up. And then there's gonna be a spacer. Like on this one, he was missing a spacer. Whatever it is, this little guy right there. So I need to find another one of those. I think I have one. And got my other spark checker up here. Let's see what happens here. We got good sparks. So now I'm gonna hook up my timing light and try to see what his timing's set at.